Hi, everyone. The learning activity that I'd like to share today is a constructivist activity. It is interactive as far as the student being able to actively do a task for the activity. While it's not socially interactive between students, it is an interactive activity in and of itself, how it's accomplished. I did design this for a previous class, and the reason why I am posting this is because I'm hoping that somebody will be able to give me some feedback as to how I can do this activity as it had been originally intended. So you'll see that originally I had tried to design a sorting activity where students were going to have to talk about assertive communication, and they were going to have to take different conflict scenarios. And what I really wanted them to do was to actually drag and drop these scenarios into these three buckets of assertive communication. Um, so I was not able to find the technology to be able to do that activity. So what I did instead, let me show my other screen, is I created a Google document, and it's actually a Google form, and I listed all of the different types, all the different scenarios, and then asked the students to just check off which bucket it falls into. So I just don't think it's as slick of an activity as it could have been had they been able to drag and drop, and then they have to provide an example of each communication style on their own at the bottom. This is considered an ungraded activity, and they will just get 10 points for participation. So it's really just for them to be able to think about the key characteristics of communication. The first time students are doing this activity is in the class I'm teaching this week. So as the week goes on, I will gladly share in the discussion how it is going in real time. So again, if anybody has any suggestions as to how I can change this into a drag and drop activity, I would really appreciate it. But otherwise, any thoughts about the activity in general, really appreciated. Thank you very, very much.